up, ladies and good morning, everybody. We're out here at Carrama Stadium, so we're gonna be here at 4:30 today for the opening ceremony for the 2025 Mayor's Cup. So come on out, share the live. Not depend on us to show it, but come on out, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be out here live and direct. So Dangriga Mayor's Cup. Mayor Cup 2025. Come on, later on today, two big matches, opening night. So come on out and support the thing. Come on and support your Mayor's Cup 2025 in Culture Capital. Comes alive inside the legendary Carrama Stadium. So come out, ladies and gentlemen, today, Mayor's Cup action. Opening night, look at it. Everything lined up nice, feel looking good. Mayor's Cup action comes alive today. Mayor's Cup action, come on out, ladies and gentlemen, today at 4:30 p.m. kicks off. We got two big matches. YG, let me check it out. Make sure that YG play. Yes, we got two big matches out here today, ladies and gentlemen. That YG United versus Bigger Conquerors starting at 5 p.m. Then you have defending champs RCSC versus Proper Fix right here live and direct at the Carrama Stadium. Just come on out and have some fun, food and drink. Come and support the thing right here at Carrama Stadium. Everything's looking good today, bright and sunny. Bright and sunny. Come on out and check out your favorite team, support your favorite team. So right here inside Carrama Stadium, everything will be live and direct into your living rooms. All right, we want to thank our sponsor as Westtrack Courts, all of our sponsors at DYFA. Digi1, bringing it live and direct. Everything's gonna be clean later on today, right here at Carrama Stadium. Come on out and check it out. Mayor's Cup action 2025. See you, and we out. Opening night, big entertainment. You got Reckless, you got Drummins, Busho, royalty songs. Later on, see you. Mayor's Cup action.